the glossy box for the month of May for you guys. This is a PR box, so they do send me this for review purpose, but all opinions are my own. This is a $21 a box, $21 a month box, but you definitely get well worth that or more. Usually it's around like $80 to $90 or more of products in here, and I will always have the total value at the end of each video. So if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. Follow me on my social media down below if you want to keep up with me there as well. And we're gonna go ahead and jump into this bad boy. So this is what the box looks like from the outside, and I'm gonna jump into it. So first in here is a little card for a discount somewhere else, and this is what this month's box looks like. It has like this really cute zebra print to it, which is super cute. Oh wow, it's like a full box. So every month like it changes. Sometimes it's everything's inside this main box, and then sometimes there's stuff like this. So this is super cute. I think I will use this to store stuff, and it says wild thing, dun 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 dun, you make my heart sing. I'm probably showing my age singing that. Anyway, so this is the box, super cute zebra, and let's go ahead and take the little lid off. Oh my god, look at the little lid. It has little paw prints. That's so cute. I love the way they do their boxes. It's like they really put a lot of thought and effort to it. They did a limited edition Easter one, which I don't know if you guys saw. I unboxed that one, and it was literally like an egg, and my son still has the egg running around because he thinks it's like the cutest. Well, not the cutest, he thinks it's the funnest thing ever. So he'll like close it and put stuff in it and shake it and open it. Yeah, it's a toddler anyway. So this is what it looks like, and they definitely do a lot as far as packaging go. They had like a cute little ribbon, so it almost feels like you're giving a gift to yourself. So this is the little baggie, the little pamphlet that has everything on here, what comes in here, and as far as like prices and things like that. And this is what it looks like now with the tissue paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and open him up. I don't know why it's a him, but it is. Ooh, this looks so nice this month. Oh, I like it. Okay, so first thing in here is the Eyeshadow London. This is the Eye Duo liquid eyeliner in black. This is worth $22, and this is a full size. So this is a felt tip liner. If you've been watching my channel for a hot minute, you know that I am just not into felt tip. I really like the more brush applicator. So what I'm gonna do is add this to a giveaway or anything like that. I usually do a lot more giveaways on my Instagram just because it's easier for me to contact you guys. But I am going to at some point do one here for YouTube as well. The thing is that right now with this whole COVID-19, I'm just not gonna go into the mailbox, even though I have been seeing that apparently the country is just gonna open back up, so who knows. Next thing in here is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is the Kiss Proof Lip Cream. I have tried these before and really enjoy them. This is in the shade Rose Petal. I want to say that I already own this. Okay, I do not own this. I own Nude. So let's see what Rose Petal looks like. And this is full size as well. This is worth $20. So already here you can see that you already have $42, and this is $21 a month. So you definitely get your money's worth as far as like how much you pay and how much you're getting in the box. All right, get out of the box. Oh, that is pretty. So this is one that I already own, and this is in the shade Nude, and this is Rose Petal. So it's definitely like a mauvey pink. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Oh, this is definitely a shade I would use. It's dark, but it is gorgeous. So very, very beautiful. And this is definitely a matte lip. It does last long on your lips. I really enjoyed the formula when I used this one. This is the nude shade. So very, very pretty. Next thing in here is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is definitely one of those deep cleansing balms to dissolve makeup. I love double cleansing. So what I do is, because I wear makeup all the time, well, the days I work now, basically what I do is I use a balm to take off my makeup or an oil or something like that, and then I double cleanse. So then I use a cleanser after that. So I really, really love like cleansing balms like this to do like just the removal of my makeup. I did not know Elemis has one. I'm thinking like the full size is pretty pricey. This here, the trial size is worth $14. So this is a nice little trial size. If I could actually go anywhere to travel right now, I would take it with me. I was literally supposed to be on a cruise this week with my husband. But you know, there are more important matters right now. So, you know, it will be rescheduled at some point. So that one definitely will be trying out. I wonder if it smells. Some of the ones that I get smell, it kind of has like a natural smell, and it has like a very buttery kind of texture to it. So definitely we'll have to play around with this. I have been trying different face balms like this. And I think I've tried almost every major brand. So I have been trying to try them all. And I am going to do Battle of the Balms at some point in my channel. Next thing in here is by Steve Laurent. And this is worth $38. This is an eyeshadow palette. I have tried some stuff from Steve Laurent. I have to say, it has been, you know, good and bad. I remember I got some kind of like eyeliners from Steve Laurent, and I don't think I liked it. But then I have lip liners that I really do like, right? Yes. So yeah, so I think I've had like a few things from them that I don't like, and then a few that I do. And this is actually called Wild Thing, and the packaging is a little zebra packaging. So let's see what the shades look like. Okay. Open. Okay, that sucker is on there. This was a little hard to open, but that's what it looks like. It is a little nine pan palette. So you get 5 shimmers and 4 mattes. The mattes almost look like a little satiny, so that is what they look like right there. So let's go ahead and not blind you guys, but that is what it looks like. I don't know why, it kind of reminds me of MAC. The shadows are pretty small, as you can see there. Look at my nail compared to this pan size. MAC does a lot of shades. Let me pull out one of my MAC little mini ones. So this is the MAC Aladdin, just so you guys can kind of have like a comparison. They look almost identical. So this is my MAC Aladdin, and this is the Steve Laurent, and the pan size is literally a dime exact size as the MAC one. So that is just for comparison. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these and give you some finger swatches of the shimmers first. So, oh, those are all like really beautiful metallics. So we shall see. I will play with these on my eyes at some point and show you guys or update you guys on my Instagram. And let me do the mattes. There was only one shimmer that I didn't do, so those look really nice, just the swatches of them, but obviously I won't know until I actually play with them and like see how they perform on the lid. But it looks like a really nice quad. I think that this would be something that I would definitely travel with, just because of how sturdy the packaging is. It's just sleek, nice, and then it has like every basic shade in there. Like you have your basic beige shade, you have a nice black, you have all these neutral metallics in there, and then you have a nice like crease shade to have all over the crease to like have your transition shade, and then you have this brown also to darken. So this is just like a perfect travel little buddy for like pop in there. And then the last thing in here is the CBD FX face mask. And this is where it's $6.99. I don't know if it's $6.99 each. And it says, oh yeah, each, because there's literally one. So there's one in here, and this is the Purifying Brightening. It has active botanicals, and it has 50 milligrams of hemp-based cannabinoids. It's supposed to help your skin, and it says that they are made with organically grown hemp CBD combined with traditional skincare, charcoal, or aloe vera, rose extract, and hyaluronic acid. So it's supposed to really soothe, hydrate, clarify your skin. So apparently you just put this on your skin and it's supposed to help. I really love this kind of face mask. They just are very convenient, especially when you have a child, because you can literally like put it on, have it stick to your face, and then just peel it off and throw it away. So I really enjoy these better than like having to wash my face or anything like that, especially when my son's around. So we'll be trying this out. So like I said, that's $6.99, and that is everything in the box. I also see that there is like a cheetah print available. So this one was the zebra. I'm not sure if this will come with like a different variation to it, but I feel like everything in here was really, really nice. I have to say, I'm excited to try these eyeshadows and see what the quality is, and the balm too, to see like if it's lives up to like some of my favorite balms that I've been trying. Also the lip product is really nice. This is really nice. This would be nice if I liked felt tips, but I don't. So a really, really nice box. I will put the total value around here. I'm pretty sure it's way above what you pay for the box, which is $21 a month. Let me know what your thoughts are on this box. Are you excited if you're subscribed to Glossybox and it's something that impulses you to? If you want to subscribe and need a discount, like I said, they give me a discount code, or I don't know if I mentioned it. They give me a discount code down below. It's for your benefit only. Basically, it kind of just keeps tabs on who uses my code or who I'm driving over there to their website to see, I don't know, to see if they keep sending me PR, I guess. So that is it for the Glossybox. Let me know what your thoughts are down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.